Curious about what happens to vehicles after they are no longer in service? La Bouche Jurassienne has a modern production line equipped with Pezzolato cutting machines, Rabaut screens, and Manitou MLT 733 forklifts. Thanks to this combination, round logs are quickly processed into uniform, high-quality firewood. This machine is powerful yet precise, with its massive claw easily breaking tree trunks and its sharp saw blades cutting wood as swiftly as slicing bread. It represents scientific advancement, supporting efficient and sustainable forest harvesting. With a 350 horsepower diesel engine and sharp blade, the Cat D11N bulldozer effortlessly pushes rocks weighing tens of tons. Despite the powerful jolts each time it hits a rock, the D11N relentlessly moves forward, solidifying its position as a giant in the construction industry. The CNC 4-foot wood veneer peeling machine offers adjustable speed, providing precise control during the veneer peeling process. The speed adjustment feature optimizes performance for different types of wood, while the CNC technology ensures high accuracy. It's the top choice in the wood processing industry. Have you ever imagined a drilling machine that's both compact and incredibly powerful? The Shakti 341 crawler drill will make you exclaim, "Oh my God!" The unmissable GOMAC Gomaco GP3 concrete slipform paver is equipped with a powerful 174 horsepower engine, allowing it to pave concrete roads up to 9.14 meters wide. Advanced slipform technology ensures a smooth, even, and precise concrete surface. The GP3 offers flexible adjustments, making it ideal for large road projects, optimizing both performance and construction quality. Oh my gosh! Have you ever seen an excavator working in such a challenging spot before? You saw it right. It's not a log or any object. It's a crocodile. Yes, a crocodile. In the harsh working environment of mines, the Caterpillar AD45 is a true warrior. With a massive payload of up to 45 tons, a powerful engine, and stable performance on rough terrain, this vehicle meets all the demanding requirements of mining operations.
By 29 tire size.
Drop a 1 in the comments if you want the thrill of driving an excavator up a mountain. Do you want to witness the power of modern technology applied to logging? Come and check out the SEV 450 forest chainsaw mounted on a 22-ton excavator. With its robust design and ability to work continuously, this machine will leave you amazed. Imagine a machine that can sculpt hard stone blocks into perfect squares in the blink of an eye. With its intelligent design and advanced features, this stone cutting machine delivers high-quality stone products. Are you looking for a solution to boost productivity and construction quality? The Tesmac 1475 trencher is the answer. With the ability to dig 2 parallel trenches up to 4.95 feet deep and an advanced conveyor system, this machine will save you time and effort, enhancing construction efficiency. Combining the skilled hands of traditional craftsmen with the precision of modern machinery, raw wooden blocks are transformed into exquisite products. Each grain of wood tells a story, celebrated with every turn of the lathe blade. Who would have thought that such a massive machine could race downhill like a sports car?
Will this unexpected ride turn the excavator into a skilled racer, or will it end in a spectacular crash?
Stay tuned to find out. At the open pit mine, the Atlas Copco ROC-8 showcases its exceptional power, drilling through layers of hard rock. Its roar is a testament to its incredible performance. With the ROC-L8, mining operations become faster and more efficient than ever before. Are you curious about a drilling machine that can think and work on its own? The AutoMine Concept Amelia will amaze you with its fully automated capabilities. Imagine a machine that can magically transform raw wooden boards into delicate veneer sheets in the blink of an eye. That's the automatic veneer peeling line.
With exceptional speed and precision, this machinery delivers high-quality, consistent veneer products.